Go.
Hello everybody, here's my wife, Kim here, and she's going to be making her adobo fried rice recipe for you guys today. And it's a really simple and easy recipe, but the main part of it that you need to know is how to make the adobo sauce. If y'all haven't seen that, then it's one day before this, so go back to yesterday's video and you'll see how to make this adobo recipe. And you'll need that just a little bit of that sauce, maybe a quarter cup
Yeah, just some of the sauce.
or
And
eighth
then
of a
we
cup.
need leftover rice.
Yeah.
So just mash it. Because this is from the refrigerator. So, in the
Any
fridge.
fried rice, they always say not to use fresh rice or it'll end up mushy. You got to
Yeah.
use 1 day old rice for fried rice,
Not naman 1 day old, but
or
at
at least a
least,
few hours.
yeah.
Just not fresh rice.
Yeah. Every Asian knows that. So, don't judge us. Or don't tell us wrong.
You bring this to a boil
Yeah,
or
so
a
that's the
simmer.
leftover. Some of the sauce of the
Adobo.
adobo. So now it's boiling. We can put the rice, the leftover rice. Just put everything. Don't be shy. It's your rice. I can't scrape it off. But there.
And then you toss it in. It's got all the ingredients already in the adobo sauce. It's got vinegar, soy sauce, salt, whole peppercorns,
Yeah.
and liquid soy seasoning.
Yeah. So this is what Corey is been asking me. He said, "How come you don't use soy sauce on your fried rice?" Yes, we do use soy sauce on our fried rice, but we don't usually do it because we do it with the sauce of our dishes. So this is what you call uh, adobo fried rice. The sauce of the adobo that we cook.
This is my first time ever having adobo fried rice, you guys. So we're going to be experiencing it together. If y'all want to see the taste test and review
Yeah.
on this,
Just
just
a
check out Kim's channel. We do the
just a
full
little
review.
of the seasoning, liquid seasoning. And then a little of the pepper because it has the peppercorns. And then some of the salt. Some salt lang. Because it already has a flavor na.
Here's the actual adobo here, chicken and pork adobo. Like I said
Yeah.
earlier at the beginning of this video, if y'all want to see the recipe for this, just go back one day earlier from
In
now.
our
So
previous
yeah.
video. But this is how we do it Filipino way, Asian way. We don't put or we don't make another dish for just fried rice. It's just sauce of our dish. Every Asian knows that. Don't worry about about the rice. This is wooden naman. So just toss it. It has the flavor of the chicken, the meat. So it's not that it's not that hard to make because it's just already have the sauce na and it has flavor. So we'll just need to toss it. Here, we do this like we call it hilamos.
Hilamos.
Yeah. My dad always tell us to if we have like a food with the sauce or a dish with the sauce, and then we already put all the dish on a saucer or I mean on a bowl, and then my dad will tell me, just hilamos the rice. That means to put some rice and scrape off it's like absorbing all the juices. It's like hilamos is it's like washing your face, but this is lang for the pan naman.
You wash your face
Yeah.
with the pan.
Yeah, now this is for the pan, for the food. So, we're gonna turn off the heat. Aray. Yes, it's already done. This is already
You turn
cooked.
this off too.
Yeah. So here in the Philippines, we most household uses uh, gas, gas stove, gas burners, than electric because gas heats up easily and it's safe because there's like safety on the bulb, so it's safe, totally safe. And there, we're done na.
It's just fast and easy. This whole video is only 5 minutes long, so it's really fast and easy recipe. And I'm sure it's going to be super delicious. If y'all want to see the taste test, I've done said it probably 3 times. But if y'all want to see the taste test, it'll be on Kim's channel. So y'all go check it out there.
Yep. So now we're gonna put it on a bowl. Shout out again to my Tita Hari and Tito Randy. Thank you for your kitchen.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna put it on. So you can you can choose if you want it like toasted. But here, this is a little toasted na eh. And we don't want it like super toasted. See, that's
For me, I like that part the best. That's my favorite part.
So we don't
The burnt
scrape too
part.
much because this is a nice bowl. But this is a nice bowl talaga. Tita Kari, you made a nice bowl. A nice pan. Because this is soy sauce, so it's it really stick or dries up hard. So can you hear that scrape from the rice? There. I'm sweating because we didn't turn on the AC. But we can turn on naman. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you learn another thing. So you don't need to waste the sauce on the pan. Just toss some rice and make it hilamos.
Here they don't waste anything.
Yeah.
In West
We're
Virginia,
Asian.
we really don't waste much there either.
Yeah.
Honestly, any of the scraps or anything like that goes to the chickens or dogs or pigs, whatever animals you got, whatever farm animals you got, the scraps go to them.
Yeah. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my channel for the mukbang.
We'll see you guys there.
Bye-bye.
I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and God bless you.